Hello, welcome to Spy Money. The wait is almost over. You are looking at Sierra charts, and we are building the coaster bot to be able to work with Sierra charts. So my first version is out. I've still got to build my Spy Money bars, and got one other indicator that I need to put on there. But this is just a good overview. Well, not really an overview, but it's a good sneak peek, we'll call it, of what you can actually do. And right now, this is on a sim. I have live accounts with Sierra Charts. It's actually through AMP, is who I have my live accounts through. Uh, my understanding is Sierra Charts works much better with a funded account because they have their own trade copier. I don't know how to do that yet, and I know that from my understanding, you have to have a different brokerage other than AMP, but hopefully I can do this with AMP. AMPfutures.com is a very good brokerage. The fees are low. The margin is lower than NinjaTrader. And a lot of people use Sierra charts. I'm learning it. There's a lot of learning curve to this. And I'm going to make some little short videos on how to do things in it so that it'll be on our website where people can learn how to use Sierra charts. Right now I've got a P&L turned on, and I've got a DOM here, and then I've got my price, of course. I've got the coaster on here, and I've also got the wildfire on here. That's the two indicators that you see right now. And just to give you an idea of how this would work, since we are a sim, we can play around. But if I go ahead and enter here, and then it will show the flags that pop up. We're just playing around, so I don't really care if it loses or not. And also, you have a DOM over here, and this is pretty sweet for the buy and then the sell. So if you want to, say you wanted to put a buy order in here, if it comes down and hits this, then it will go ahead and put your take profit and your stop in place. These are just generic ones. You can also move this around, and as soon as it fills, there it's filled, and it shows your profit and loss here. I think you can turn this over to currency as well. I use the points on it, but I think you can turn it over to the currency. And a lot of things you have to learn with Sierra charts, and I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what is going on with Spy Money, what we're doing, and we're trying to broaden this out a little bit better to where for the people that use Sierra charts, we'll be able to use our bot and also be able to use our indicators. So right now, I have several indicators that are on there, and let's see, I think if you go up here, analysis, here are the indicators I currently have on there. I have the bot on there, but I don't have it turned on. And if you go to add study, we have these indicators right now. So all of these are the ones that we use. We have the coaster strategy, that's our bot. And then we have these indicators, the coaster, we have the gladiator, the grabber, our levels intraday, man of war, wildfire. These are the main ones that everybody uses. There's a couple more I'm going to put on there, trender, I'm putting it on, and do a few more, and we'll just eventually we should have most of our indicators built on here, but for right now it's just going to be the ones that we mainly use. And but anyway, just giving you a sneak peek at what we have. One of the main things I need on here is my Spy Money bars. We're going to hopefully have those done this week, and hopefully have the bot to where it is running and trading accordingly. And so right now we don't use the time bars on our bot. We use Spy Money bars. It's a lot better. I guess it's easier to use, and the time bars are so big, like these right here. These are, big candles in here. I mean, this one right here was what, 32 down to 24. So this right here is about an 8-point candle, and we have some of these others in here. I mean, the more volatility you have within a time period, the more large the candle is going to be. So with the SPY mini bars, it's a little bit better. It's easier to handle, and we have our levels in here to where we can see where the volume is. We can see right there. There's a lot of volume coming in here, and a lot of orders are being placed right here to be held. And then if it goes down and hits those, then it's going to run up where we have a lot of sales right here. So there's a lot of people, once it hits up here, there's a lot of shorts already there. And so there's a lot of things I have to learn on it. And again, I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on this so that the learning curve will not be so hard for a lot of people. Because CR charts, for me, has been very difficult to learn. And it's definitely challenging. I love a challenge. That's what keeps me going in life. But I wanted to give you just a sneak peek. I'm going to have, I've got to figure out the vendor side of using all these indicators and everything to make it to where our users can use them. Hopefully I can get that taken care of either this week or next week to where we can make these indicators at least go live for our users. And NinjaTrader's not going anywhere. We will still continue to develop NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader's a good platform. We're not unhappy with them. We're just making it to where it opens up to a lot of people like CR charts better than NinjaTrader and vice versa. So we're going to continue to use both CR charts and NinjaSuite or the NinjaTrader. Both good companies, and it's just a matter of the user, what they personally like. But anyway, just a sneak peek. Just looking at it, we're getting things in line. I'm hoping that I'd say that within a couple weeks we should be able to have kind of everything the way we should, to where people can start using it. And I know that there's a lot of people waiting right now for the CR charts indicators to be developed and put on to where they can use them. As soon as we do, then that's going to open up quite a few users in here. Again, I have to do a lot of learning because I don't know CR charts like the people that use it by far. I could actually learn a lot on this. I've kind of got a lot of it done, but I still got a lot of learning to do. I do like CR charts. It's kind of old school. The code and so forth is, from my understanding, easier than what it is with NinjaTrader. They say that the code on CR charts is more stable than the code on NinjaTrader. I'm not a user of this, but that's my understanding. And my understanding also, CR charts, people don't have crashes. Where with NinjaTrader we do have crashes occasionally, and that's why we don't like to run the bots unattended, is because we do have crashes on it that happen. And we built an exe file that whenever you go to start NinjaTrader, if you click on that, it deletes the databases and cache folders and all that, and then starts up NinjaTrader. That way you're always starting up a clean NinjaTrader when you do, and that's been a big help by doing that. But something about the data in NinjaTrader that gets a little messed up at times, you have to clear it out. So how would you get started with this? If you're not ready for CR charts, again, we still use the NinjaTrader, and it's a good platform. We're not doing away with it, but how you get started is you come up here to the NinjaSuite. And whenever you click on the NinjaSuite, there's a little video here that will play. You can watch. Again, auto trading bots are not set it and leave it system. It's not something you turn on and walk away. You want to be mindful of what's going on. Here's a little video right here that explains what we're getting ready to explain again. But if you want to join, you just read through all of this, and then you left click and copy this. Remember, SPY bot trading bots are not set it and leave it bots. If you turn them on and walk away and come back forever later, there's a good chance you're going to lose money. It's just not the way we trade bots. We don't have a set time we turn them on and all that. I teach you how to look and see, is the bot worthy of turning on, or actually the market worthy of turning a bot on? And I teach you how to look at that, and it's not always right because it's trading. Things happen, but for the most part, it usually works out pretty good. And once you do that, you right click, click copy, then you come up to the top and you click on Contact Us. When you click on that, it's going to ask you for your first name, last name, email, and phone number. You need all this information. And then you right click and paste that information here. This is a binding contract at this point. This is telling you that you agreed to all of those items. And if you don't agree to them, don't send the ticket. Don't send the email to me to where you say you agree to it, because this is a binding contract. Once you do that, then you're going to have immediate access. Or once you do that, I'll send you a link to join. And once you join, you'll have immediate access to everything. There's nothing to wait on. Once you do that, it'll give you the bots. We have about a dozen bots, and we have a lot more indicators than here. A lot of drawing tools and stuff. But here's a frequently asked questions. For the most part, I would say that every question you have is answered right here. I still get questions in contacts that the answers are right here. But if you read through this, I'm sure that all of your questions will be answered. If not, come up to Contact Us and click on that, and then put your question in there, and I will do my best to help you. But if you have any questions, let me know. Again, CR Charts is on the move, and we will be having this. Hopefully we can have the indicators released by next week. That's what I'm hoping. Possibly this week. I just have to learn some things before I can do that. Once we do that, then the bot, I think, will be ready probably next week. I think's when it'll be ready. And I still got to get the SPY money bars, like I said. But right now, the coaster indicator, the wildfire, those are two that we mainly use. And then we've also got levels that pop up. So just to show you real quick, if you go up, let's see if we go up here and go to levels. And then it puts our levels in here, some of them. It doesn't have my personal levels yet. I haven't built that yet, but this lets you have some good levels, intraday levels. And they move a little bit during the day depending on the price, but for the most part these levels work really well. And but anyway, if you have any questions or anything, let me know. I would be happy to help you out and get you started, and CR Charts is on the way. Have a great day.